In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to utilize Photopea to transform your images effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner exploring graphic design or a seasoned designer looking to optimize your workflow, this quick guide will help you master the basics of transforming images using Photopea. First, let's head over to Photopea's website. Just open your favorite web browser and type in photopea.com. It's a free web-based application that mirrors many features of the popular software, Adobe Photoshop. For those who may not be familiar, Photopea is an incredibly versatile tool that makes professional-grade editing accessible from any device with an internet connection. Once you've arrived at the website, you'll be greeted by the familiar user interface. At the top of the window, you'll see a list of options such as File, Edit, Image, Layer, and so on. It's similar to what you might see in other graphic design software, so if you've used any before, you'll find this setup quite intuitive. Now that you're oriented with the interface, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You're going to click on the option labeled Image. A drop-down menu will appear with a variety of choices. Here, you're going to select Transform. This option is crucial because it's the gateway to modifying your image in several ways, such as rotating, scaling, and skewing. Upon selecting Transform, you'll notice several rotation options present themselves. This feature is particularly helpful if you're looking to adjust the orientation of your image to better suit your design needs. Whether you're looking to make slight adjustments or dramatic turns, these tools provide you with precise control over how your images are displayed. Once you've made your rotations and other transformations, your image is adjusted to fit your design vision seamlessly. If you're satisfied with how everything looks, that's it. You're done. You've successfully managed to transform an image using Photopea. If you're happy with the result and wish to save your work, you can do so by clicking on the File option and selecting Export As to choose your preferred file format. Photopea supports various formats, meaning you can easily share or print your images in whichever format suits your needs best. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Exploring other features within Photopea can further enhance your designs. Play around with blending modes, filters, and adjustments. There's a wealth of creativity just waiting to be unlocked. And remember, the more you practice, the more proficient you'll become. Thank you for joining me in this short but informative guide. I hope this video helped elevate your editing skills using Photopea. If you have any questions or would like to see more tutorials like this, feel free to leave comments. Happy designing, and I'll catch you in the next video.